Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Warzone 3 GPU driver version error message so you can launch the game without compatibility issues. First, update your graphics drivers to the latest version from NVIDIA or AMD official website because outdated drivers are the main cause of this error. Next, restart your PC after installing the update to fully apply the changes. After that, open the game launcher and verify the game files to fix any corrupted or missing data. You should also make sure your Windows system is fully updated, since missing updates can affect driver recognition. Another important step is to remove old GPU drivers using a clean installation option when updating. Also check that your graphics card actually supports the required driver version for Warzone 3. Finally, restart your system and launch the game again, and the GPU driver version error should be resolved in most cases. Subscribe the channel for more videos.